Saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box? No!
Just throw it all away, you know.
No!
Hey everybody, Sexy Matt the Pharaoh Wizard here with a dun 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 Loot Crate drunk unboxing, y'all. So Loot Crate's still in the biz, still hanging around. I'm still in quarantine, as you can tell from my grizzly beard. Well, that's alright, as we can explore the outside world through the magic of Loot Crate, baby. So let's open this fucker up and let's find out what's inside. Let's just get right into it. Just want to get the theme here. We got to get a theme. And we got our theme card. Let me find out what this is. Hold on. Alright, so this is the March box. I know we're in May, but this is the March box with a theme of Beast Mode. Just fuck it, I hate Beast Mode of the player. But hopefully this is a cooler box than that. But let's get into it. So first thing I'm seeing, we got Godzilla. We got Godzilla 1954 Bee Honey vinyl figure. Let's open this fucker up. So you get a little keychain, a little Bee Honey paw keychain thing that comes with it, but the piece de resistance is Godzilla. Just a cute little vinyl Godzilla toy. Alright. That's cool. It's not like overly impressive, but not bad. I'll take it. That's fine. It's alright. I'll drink to Godzilla coming through and killing everyone right now. I can go for that. Okay. And we got a shirt. It says Fallout on it. What do we got? Looks like a death metal band shirt. I think that's what they're going for. And I have no idea what that even says because I cannot read death metal. But apparently it's from Fallout. But I don't know. Someone's gonna have to explain this one to me. I've never played Fallout, so I guess it's cool.
What bands were you in?
Oh, about the millions. I was in Agnostic Priest, Gangagar, Alilial, Al-Il-Al, Gog Nog Mog, Ologdog, Face Academy, Sausage Assassin, Financially Raped, Smugly Dismissed. I was in pretty much every band. I could go on, is what I'm saying.
Alright. Got a letter in here. Let's see what this is about. Okay, it says, we are sorry to report that one of your items is missing, but fear not, we wanted to get the rest of your items as soon as possible, which means we'll be shipping your missing item at a future date. Thank you for your patience and understanding. So, even though WizKids bought out Loot Crate, it still can't get their shit together. And, like, I guess it's more understandable now, because it's the fucking end of the world. But, you know, fuck it. Then moving on, we have another box here. It says Cryptkins. Cryptkins. And it's a cat. It's a cactus cat. Okay. I mean, cats are little fluffy creatures full of razor blades, but there you go. It's a cactus cat. Does that mean anything to anybody? Okay. Cactus cat. All right. We have some coasters. Okay, so we got Nessie Crossing. We got Sasquatch Crossing. We got the Kraken Crossing. And we got the Mothman Crossing. Thing is, these are those garbage coasters that fucking that are shit. They're thin as fuck. It's cheap bullshit cardboard. Not as cool as Darylinian's new coasters that she had in the video that were all fancy. If she's watching, which she's probably not, but yeah. Those are, those suck. And finally, we got the pen. And it's King Kong with a laser arm riding Godzilla. Once again, it is King Kong with a laser arm riding Godzilla. Finally, we get a good pin. The last bunch of loot crates, I've been bitching about the pins because the pins suck, but that's a cool fucking pin. Alright, Touche Loot Crate. That is a cool pin. Alright, I'll take it. And the box has got like a wood kind of thing. If you flipped it inside out, it'll turn into like a wood box that has dangerous animals or whatever. Yep, that's a thing. Need a drink. Alright. So let's take a look at the digital form for this box. Let's find out what we missed and what we're supposed to get. Wow. So they have really, I really have to show this. They have really turned down even the digital form for this. Good lord. Okay. So Loot Crate Original Godzilla. Exclusive Cryptoids coaster set. A Cryptkins vinyl blind box. So that's a blind pull. You could have got a bunch of different ones. A Fallout Deathclaw t-shirt. So it says Deathclaw. I mean, I guess if you can read death metal, I can't read death metal. And the Loot Crate pin. What we're missing is a Sandlot water bottle that's got the beast. So that's what we didn't get. Probably would have knocked this up a couple notches, but you know, what can you do? Alright, motherfuckers, let's look at the whole motherfucking box. Yeah! So here we are, here's the whole March Beast Mode box. So you got your pin. I think that's actually pretty cool. I'll give it the pin. Got your coasters. These are garbage. I hate them. You got your Cryptkins blind pull, and I got Cactus Cat. It's fine. You got your Godzilla vinyl figure. It's fine. And you got your Fallout Death Claw shirt. It's fine. I honestly, I'm not super excited about anything. But I only hate one thing, and that's these fucking coasters. Everything else, it's fine. Like, the pin is probably the coolest, but, like, it's just gonna end up on here and disappear into the ether. It's really not, like, a thing that you, like, show people. So I give the box a rating of a... You can take that rating to the fucking bank. So I'm about out of drink here, and we're all out of unboxing to do. So let's call it a night. Cheers, fuckers.